Hey, David Perdue here from the Niche Affiliate Marketing System. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite tools. This is called Action Machine Pro, and it is a very unique little tool that helps me stay on track with my daily activities. First thing I'm going to show you is the blank screen. So I'm going to go to a day that I don't have any timers set for. This is Sunday. I don't have any timers set for Sunday. And you can see this starts out as a blank screen, and this is probably what you will see when you get this tool. But then I can click over here and I can show you my daily, which is here. This is the activities that I have scheduled on a daily basis. These are the things that are important to me. Exercising, reviewing my goals and my daily to-dos, checking email, and I've got them down here in the order pretty much of the things that I'm going to do and the way I want to do them. So you'll notice that a lot of this is following up with customers, daily promotion activities, marketing, list building, writing for the blog and for the other activities that I have going on, project planning, and working on my next project for a couple hours each day. I'll show you how this works. So you can see here that I have some that have a play button, some that have a check mark. Check mark means the activity's done. Now when I go back over to the timer options and I click back on Sunday to show you some of the things I'll do here. Let's say that I've got Sunday now loaded and I want to use Sunday as my day to organize and clean the garage. You'll not see me adding this for a couple of reasons. One, I don't have a garage, and the second thing is that's like the last priority on my list. So anyway, I have now added a 30-minute activity to my schedule for Sunday. And when I get ready to do it on Sunday, I can come in and just click this button. The timer starts. It's my activity, and when it's done, I can pause it if I get distracted by something by clicking that button. I can restart it. And if it is something I just decide is a waste of time today, I'm not going to do it, I can actually delete it by doing that. Now let's say I want to go organize my office. This is probably something that would take me about maybe 3 hours in a good Sunday activity. So I click that I'm going to start that. Now, I want to come in and say, well, what is it going to take for me to organize my office? I can come in, I just clicked on this little edit icon down here, and I can come in and say I'm going to get rid of the bookcase. These are all actually things I'm going to do. I'm going to remove CDs and extraneous, did I spell that right? Yep. Material. And clean up the piles of paper. Shred the stack of material to be shredded. Okay, so those are the things I'm going to do. I'm going to save this. Now I know during this 3-hour period what I'm going to be doing that day. Those are my to-dos for that activity. And I'll show you how I use that on a daily basis. So to use those to-dos, what I'm going to do is come over here to my daily, where is it? My to-dos, right here, my review, goals, and to-dos. Click on my edit button, and you can see I've got a list of a significant number of things that I want to get done today. And I will get many of these done, many of them I won't. So what I'll do is delete from that list. You can see it again. Just get to it by clicking this edit button. I'll delete from that list the things I get done, and I will add then this evening, I'll add the things I want to get done tomorrow to this list. So I have a continual list of to-dos that I can refer back to and work through on my daily to-do list. You can create as many timers as you want. I think actually up to, or days, let's see, groups of timers. I think it's up to 50. Yeah, 50. 50 timer groups plus the ones that are already created. So I clicked on daily. These are my daily activities. You can see I've got a timer running right now. And it doesn't stop when I click away from this page. This is my daily marketing promotions activity. That's important to my business. I need to be doing promotions of tools that I'm using and that are working and that my affiliates would get a great value from as well. So I'm in the middle of that, and that will include doing some writing as well as maybe formatting, posting in a forum or posting in a blog or something like that. So anyway, I've set myself 30 minutes for this. If 30 minutes is not enough, I can always come over and say, well, I need 45 really. But knowing that I do that, I have to be realistic about the time that I'm using each day, because you see up here, this says I've got 9 hours scheduled left to work because, 6 hours left to work, because my daily schedule is 9 hours, and I've already done these pieces, which is, well, when I click up here, it shows you that I've done almost a little over 3 hours of work already. So I'm going to come back, turn that to 30 again, and then I'll show you how to add a timer. This column here is my left task. It's my left column of task and activities. Many of these are standard. They come with the package itself. You can come in here and add them and remove them, edit them. That's what I do, is edit a lot of them. I created all of these daily tasks to go in my daily timer, and I'm going to create another one. And the way I'll do that is come down here and click on create a new action from the selected action. So I've got, let's click on my forums, my NAMS forum, and I'll create this, click on this button that creates a new action from the selected action. So then I will edit this and say that I'm going to do what? I think maybe one of the tasks that I might want to add to my daily activities is to reach out to somebody, either by phone or email. Let's say I contact an affiliate, and I want to see how I can help that affiliate with blog post or email series or some activity to make them money. Okay, so I'm going to add that one to my daily task. I like that. So I've got that now at the top of my task. I just click on it there. I'm going to move it down with my other. I just click this little arrow down here, and I just move it down to my other daily task. So now I've got daily, contact, and affiliate, and it's at the top of my daily task. Now I'm going to give it some time. How much time do I think I need for that? Maybe 15 minutes if I am creating an affiliate contact. Now you see when I did that, it added it right here to the last panel of my list. One of the things I don't like about Action Machine Pro, and maybe it's me, maybe I haven't figured this out yet, or maybe I need a daily 2, or maybe I need a daily morning and a daily afternoon so that I can go to different timers. But you got a slot for 12 blocks here. I would like to have a little bit more, or a scrolling panel, but it doesn't do that. Now if I wanted to move this around, for example, let's say I wanted to move, maybe I wanted to move my promotions to the front of the business right, so that I get all of my activities done up here, and then I start right into the working, and the first thing I want to do is create my daily promotion. So what I would do is click over here, and the other thing you have to know is that you can only go down with these. You can't go up. So if I clicked on this to move it over, it doesn't work so well that way. It moves, but it doesn't move where you want it to move. So what I've learned is that I click here. These two icons show you, one, you can move this to another timer page. For example, if I decided to create a daily afternoon, I could move this one to the daily afternoon timer group. But I want to move it inside this timer group, so I click on this icon at the top, move this timer within the current timer group, and I'm going to move it to, you see this little panel shows up and it shows you where you're going to move it, and I'm going to move it to here. And then I'm going to move this one to there, and what happened is that that one slid forward, these other two fell behind it. So now I'm working on exactly what I want and where I want it, and the next tasks that I'm going to work on are these. So there you have it. This is well, I should show you one more thing, I guess. This is a report. You can also get a report that shows you what you've done. And it, to tell the truth, I don't find a whole lot of use for this because I just like checking things off. I don't like to go back and revisit what I've already done. But you can. If you like to see that, or if you are trying to use this as a timer for your billing, you could always create a report that shows how much activities you spent with your clients' work. So if you're a VA, this is a really good little tool that you can use, an inexpensive tool. I know there are a lot of tools out there, but this is a really little inexpensive tool that you can use for just exactly that activity. Okay, well, I wanted to show you this. I got to get to work because I need to put this piece of promotion together, and I've got 16 minutes and 32 seconds to do it. You can see that the deadline really is giving me a little boost here to make this happen. Thank you. Talk to you soon.